I was a passenger in the back seat of a vehicle and had a head-on collision with another car. And I ruptured I already had shoulder problems, but I messed my rotator cuff up, my right shoulder rotator cuff, and had some dental work done also, and needed a lawyer.
Mr. Dorsett's case was unique because he was a passenger in a car, which means that obviously he wasn't at fault, but we found ourselves in a position where more than one person two people were pointing the fingers at each other. The driver of his car said, I wasn't at fault, and then there was another car that had run through the intersection which had contributed to the collision. They said they weren't at fault. What happened in that case is we had to go to trial because neither one of the defendants would take responsibility for the happening of the accident. And that's what made that case particularly challenging. In addition to that, Mr. Dorsett also had what's called a pre-existing condition and had problems with his shoulder before the accident, and the defendants didn't want to take responsibility for the fact that they made his shoulder worse. So we found ourselves in trial. The case was litigated and tried in the District of Columbia, and I was the trial lawyer, and we got Mr. Dorsett a successful verdict, and we're very proud of that.
Even though I don't have a case with them, they'll call and see how I'm doing, or if there's anything that they could do to help me in certain situations, or everything like that. And basically, you know, it's like a family.
We did what we do with every client, and we have relationships like the relationship that we have with Mr. Dorsett with lots of clients.
It's great to show people that I have some top-notch lawyers that provided for me. I can state that now, you know, and I'm just real happy to be involved with them. So I recommend anybody to come to them.